Novi Public Library has 4 self-check stations available for guest use. 3 are located by the main circulation desk and 1 by the first floor information desk. The same instructions presented in this video are posted next to each station and are also shown on the screen as prompts during use. Each station has several accessibility options available for use. These include adjusting the height of the touchscreen features, increasing the font size on the screen, adjusting the screen's contrast, or selecting a different language, including Spanish, Chinese, or Hindi. Before using a self-check station, we advise you to examine your materials for any damage and verify that all discs or parts are present prior to checkout. Guests are responsible for any damage or missing pieces not reported to the circulation desk on the day of checkout. To check out your items using a self-check station, begin by placing your library card barcode side up under the lower right edge of the monitor to scan your library card barcode. The station will beep when it reads your card correctly, and the screen will refresh and prompt you to check out materials. For Novi materials, place items one at a time on the pad and wait for a green check mark to appear under Status on the screen next to the item's information. You will also hear a chime when the checkout is successful. Move the item off the pad after it checks out. For holds from other libraries, first scan the item's barcode sticker. This may be located either on the front outside or inside cover, or on the back inside or outside cover. You can only check out the reserved item on the card that placed the hold. After scanning, place the item on the pad and wait for a green check mark to appear under Status on the screen next to the item's information and for the chime to sound. Repeat these steps for each item to be checked out. When you've finished checking out all of your items, decide if you want a due date receipt. If you want a receipt, press the receipt button and then choose either print, email, or both. If no receipt is needed, press the Done No Receipt button. If you encounter any issues or if any items appear with a red icon in the status column, come to the circulation desk for assistance. A tally of the total number of items checked out so far is listed on the screen near the lower left corner. You can use this to verify all of your items have been correctly checked out. After 90 seconds or more of inactivity, the station will time out of the checkout function and will log you out of your session. If for any reason you don't finish your session, Make sure to exit out of your session so the station clears your account info. You don't want someone else to accidentally check out items on your library card. From the main screen, you can press the My Account button to see your account information, including items checked out, overdue items, holds, and fines and fees. Pressing Items Checked Out will display all of the items on your account, their due dates, and an option to renew those items. You can renew individual items, or you can also choose Renew All. Items that successfully renew will show a green check mark under Status. Pressing either Overdue Items, Holds, or Fines/Fees will also display lists of those items on your account. You can press the Email button to have a summary of your account sent to your email address on file. Always remember to exit out of your session when you are finished. If you ever have any questions, feel free to ask a staff member for assistance. Thank you for using our self-check stations and for visiting the Novi Public Library.